Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this adorable baby pig. So first we're going to start with the piggy's eyeballs. So we're going to draw two big circles, and these circles are going to take up a majority of the face. Our pig is just so cute. She has the biggest eyes imaginable. We're going to add this little eyelash. Just one little eyelash. Makes her a little cuter. Then we'll add this circle here. And we're going to do the same thing right here. And then we're going to do another one, but smaller. Another one, but smaller. Alright, awesome. Then we're going to color in that big circle. I'm going to color in the big circle. And we're going to do both of them. It's okay to take your time and go slow. We want it to look nice. Take your time. As you can see, I'm going kind of slow. I just want to make sure that my coloring looks really nice, that I'm not scribbling. So no need to rush there. Nice and slow. Alright, now our pig has some cute eyes. We're going to add eyebrows on the top. Eyebrows on the top. Then we can move on to that snout. So we're going to start with the nostrils. We're drawing ovals, but they're slightly slanted, so they're at an angle. And then once we have both of those drawn, we can draw the snout. And the snout is basically an upside down heart shape. So we're going to start with the top of the heart up here, and then the bottom of the heart down here. Then we'll draw the bottom part for the mouth. Alright, perfect. Then we can draw the top of the head. We're going to draw a little bit of fluff on the top of her head, just like this. And then a little bit more right here. And then, of course, we need to draw the ears as well. So the ears are basically just a little leaf shape. They're pretty big. We're going to draw both of those. They're about the same size, the same height. Try to make them look about the same. If they don't, that's okay. Then we can draw the inside of the ear. So the inside of the ear is a little bit fluffy, but it's basically the same shape as the outside of the ear. And we're going to do it again one more time. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Just like that. Then we can draw the sides of the face. Here's one side. And then the other side. Little line for the chin. And we have the head complete. Now we just need to draw the body. So we're going to start with one foot. We add this little mark on the inside because she has a little hoof. Same thing on this one, so we can see her little feetsies. Then we're going to add a line and color that in, because we know pig's feet are black. So go ahead and color that in. And we have the front feet. Alright, awesome. We have this line that goes down, and then the same thing right here. And then we need to draw those hind feet. So we're going to go out. Then we'll draw the foot and go back in. Ta-da! And we're going to do it again. But before we do it again, let's go ahead and color this part. Perfect. Alright, let's go for it. Boop, boop, boop. And then. Boop. 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 And then color it in. And then the little curly tail. My favorite part of the whole drawing. And then when you're done, you can color your little piggy. I made my pink You can also make yours brown if you want, or black. Pigs come in different colors. But anyways, bye for now, guys.